Hey, everybody, are you ready to pump up your work efficiency with me? Let's go. I am a trader with 10 years of experience and I actively implement modern tools in my work. I want to share such a tool with you. It is an AI advisor, which collects indicator data in real time and presents it in a convenient format, immediately recommending which way to open a deal. You no longer need to keep track of a bunch of tabs in your browser. Data on 12 key indicators are collected in this tool. The bot is absolutely free. You can pick it up at the link in the description. In a month it will be available only for a fee, so hurry up. Don't miss new informative videos. Friends, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments. Now I want to do some trades using FixProfit. So, an active buy is a recommendation from a fast neural network. In the detailed report, I see 9 bullish indicators. This is the data for a 5-minute range. I started on the dollar-franc currency pair. The data update periodicity in the robot is 1 minute. I can see from the tick volume histogram that the influence of buyers has increased in the past 10 minutes. Green bars. Also, I can see from the historical data that the price is again moving along the ascending corridor. Yes, the bulls are getting more confident again, and I think this momentum will have a positive impact on my bottom line. Friends, I have accelerated the price movement to save time, for the convenience of watching this video. I want to remind you that the free bot is available at the link in the description. You will also get bonuses. You will get access to VIP chat with signals and market analytics from me. You will also get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. For example, making a deposit of $50, you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Promo code works on the first deposit. Why do most traders fail? Why do so many traders quit right before they're about to strike gold? Think of the movie Pursuit of Happiness. Chris Gardner was broke, homeless, and beaten down. But he didn't stop. He kept grinding, he kept pushing, and eventually, he landed that life-changing opportunity. Trading is no different. The only thing separating winners from quitters? The ability to endure, to keep moving forward even when every trade seems to go against you. Now, before we dive deeper, let's set the foundation. If you're risking more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade, you're playing with fire. Picture this. Your account balance is $100. You trade $1 per position. One trade goes south, you lose 80 cents, but you're still in the game. Now, imagine a $1,000 account. You're trading $10 per position. A single win nets you $8. Bigger deposit, bigger returns. Simple math, and if you're really ready to elevate, consider maxing out that deposit to capitalize on those bigger profits. Turning setbacks into setups. Let's talk about setbacks. Ever heard the saying, failure is the best teacher? Well, in trading, it's the only teacher. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to misread charts, mistime entries, misjudge trends. But those aren't losses, they're lessons. Think about Thomas Edison. The guy failed 10,000 times before perfecting the light bulb. Imagine if he'd stopped at failure number 9,999. Now, how many trades have you lost? 50? 100? That's nothing. Every loss is a step closer to the strategy that will finally click. Now, here's the game changer, my smart trading assistant. This tool is like having your personal Jarvis from Iron Man. It analyzes market trends, identifies opportunities, and helps you make calculated moves instead of emotional decisions. And guess what? It's free to try. Link in the description. You don't have to navigate these rough trading waters alone. In the meantime, I earned it. Yes, artificial intelligence helped me to quickly understand the situation, to see it objectively. I made the right decision. It was time for the second deal. An active purchase. That's another signal. 7 indicators are green. That's the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. 5-minute time frame. I see active saturation of the market with buyer volumes. The histogram shows strong growth. The price has broken through the global resistance zone and most likely will be able to use it as a new support zone for a rebound to the upside. I think that the bull's potential has not been squandered yet, and on the 5-minute time frame, we will come out victorious from the situation. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. Now, let's talk about analyzing your trades. Think of it like watching game footage in sports. You don't just play and forget about it, you study your performance. Start with support and resistance levels. These are like the boundaries in a football field. They show you where the action is most likely to happen. If the price bounces off the same level multiple times, that's a key zone. Next, focus on trend identification. Are you in an uptrend or a downtrend? Higher highs and higher lows indicate bullish momentum. Lower highs and lower lows? Bearish territory. Recognizing these patterns can turn a losing streak into a strategic pivot. Let me tell you something real. I know people who walked away from steady 9-to-5 jobs and went all in on trading. Why? Because they believed in themselves. They leveraged every loss, every mistake, and every misjudgment as fuel to improve. Now, they're living life on their own terms. No boss, no alarm clock, just the market and the money they make from it. And what do they have in common? Discipline, patience, and the right tools. That's where my trading assistant comes in. It doesn't just give you trade signals, it teaches you to read the market like a seasoned pro. It's your edge in the market, a guiding hand when the charts look like chaos. Here's the bottom line. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. You will get knocked down. You will feel the sting of losses. But if you get back up, analyze what went wrong, and adjust, you're still in the game. Think of Sylvester Stallone. He was rejected by every major film studio when he pitched Rocky. Nobody believed in him, but he kept pushing, kept fighting, and now, Rocky is a classic underdog story that millions of people draw strength from. So, I closed the trade in the plus side again. Today I managed to earn $1,988. The bot helped me to see the situation objectively and take the right actions. Subscribe and like, friends. Click on the bell. I'll be back soon.